You have two assessments for Unit 1. First, you'll complete a quiz that assesses your comprehension of the rhetorical terminology covered in the Unit 1 lecture. Second, you'll respond to an essay question that asks you to write a rhetorical evaluation of the two overarching projects that you'll be creating this semester. In this recording, I want to briefly explain that second assessment. When you look at the prompt for the rhetorical evaluation essay question, you'll see that it says this: read through the major assignment preview and take a look at the posted sample literature review and the posted presentation guidelines. Then write a short 500 to 750 word essay in which you evaluate how your rhetorical situation will alter between one project and the other. What is your purpose when you're writing in the genre of a literature review? And how does your purpose change when you write in the genre of a presentation? How will your audience change from one project to the other? Your media and design choices, etc. Your response should be written in full sentences and paragraphs, that is, not a bulleted list. This assessment is a low-stakes formative writing assignment. It's short and you're being evaluated not on your writing skills, but on your demonstrated comprehension of the concept of rhetoric and how it applies to your own writing. So focus your energy on the conceptual element of this assignment. Show your instructor that you can think creatively, concretely, and intelligently about how the parts of rhetoric shift from one writing situation to another. We're interested in your thoughts and ideas. That being said, you should still do your best to write clear and coherent sentences and to organize your ideas in a thoughtful and logical way. This assignment is the first opportunity your instructor will have to see your writing style, so show them your best. I'd also encourage you to pay attention to anything that you find yourself questioning, hesitating over, or struggling with as you write. The first step to becoming a stronger writer is reflecting on your own strengths and struggles and being aware of your own writing process. So start to get into that mindset now, even with this early and low stakes writing assignment.